Hello guys, welcome back to this part 6 of this training series of how to succeed with solo ads. Now in this part 6 of this training series, we are going to see the funnel building software. So the funnel building software that I recommend and which I use in my business is leadpages. Now in case if you're someone who's wondering, can I use another funnel building software? Yes, definitely you can use another funnel building software. But remember guys, there are some funnel building softwares which do not integrate well with our third party tracking tool Optin Dojo, or even further if you are eventually moving to paid advertising, these funnel building softwares does not support this Google Pixels, Google tags, or Microsoft Bing UET tags, and makes it even worse. So I would seriously recommend you to go for leadpages, which does the job very well and perfectly, even for both integrating with the third party tracking tool Optin Dojo and also perfectly well with paid advertising, where you can use different pixels like the Google Pixel and the Microsoft UET tag and Facebook pixels, and all to be easily integrated with the leadpages software. So if you're someone who is a complete beginner and looking for a funnel building software out there online, then I would recommend you to go for leadpages, which is perfect for beginners. So you can always check out the affiliate link in the description box below in order to get your 14 days free trial of leadpages. So when you click on the affiliate link in the description box below for leadpages, you will reach this page where they show the different features or functions of the leadpages. So you can just scroll it down, you can see, you can have it here, and you can click on the try it for free. So once you click on the try it free option, you will reach this page where it takes to the pricing plan. So you can have 14 days risk-free trial, so you can always test out the different features of leadpages, but this is only available for the standard and pro plan. So you have two options, either pay monthly or pay yearly. So I would recommend you to go for pay yearly option only if you have a recommended budget and if you are in the long haul of this email marketing business. So if you are someone just a beginner and tight on budget, then go for the pay monthly option where you have around $49 per month in the standard plan. So please go for the standard plan because that is going to be good for us as an affiliate marketer, because the pro and the conversion plan is more of a like a for the e-commerce and where you have to have the payments and all those stuff. So for us, standard plan is going to be good enough, and you can always click on the start free trial and you will have a 14 days free trial. So once you click on the start free trial, you will be taken to the page where you have to enter your email address, name, and other credit card or debit card details. So from there you can start, and once you have entered all those details, you will reach this page. This is my leadpages account, and you can see the dashboard over here where it is showing the performance and the recently updated landing pages and the latest leads collected and so on. Now when it comes to landing pages, now next click on the landing pages over here. Now you can see the different landing pages that I have created over here, and you can see the conversion rates of all those landing pages over here. Now click on create new landing page. So here you can see the landing pages can be created based on different criterias where you have conversion rate, most popular, collections, page type, industry, style, color. So there are many options available out there and different templates, so you can choose any one of them and you can model them for your own landing page. So based on the newest, you can see the based on conversion rate. When you click on based on conversion rate, you can see the different templates that are available right now, which is converting better for the leadpages user. So when you click on this preview, you can see this is one of the best converting landing pages for the leadpages users. So you can see how simple the landing pages are. So when you click on most popular, you can see some of the most popular landing pages that are available over here. You can scroll down and you can have n number of ideas over here. Next, when you come over to the collections, you have different category over here based on holiday, quick launch, or trending. So you can click and take a look at the different templates available. So you really have a lot of ideas and templates over here where you can choose any one of them. So next, when you click on the page type, so you can have different landing page templates, about page, or blank, or checkout, or consultation, or contest, or giveaway, event, free resource and download, and incentive, lead capture, link in bio, newsletter and sign up, offer, discount and coupon, organic, paid ads, sales, thank you and confirmation, waitlist and coming soon, webinars and virtual event. So you have different page types based on your different requirements. So if you're someone from an e-commerce industry, you can use the checkout page, the contest and giveaway page, and thank you and confirmation page, the sales page. So you have different options. So in the next training video, please stay tuned for my tutorial on how to use lead pages to create a simple opt-in page where I will show you how to use the different text element, the video element, the button element, and how to change the font color, style, size, style, and so on. Remember guys, the more simple the opt-in page or the squeeze page is, the better conversion rate you get. So always try to make a simple opt-in page. So next, if you go on based on industry, you have different options like author, automotive, business and marketing, coaching, creative services, education, entertainment and travel, financial and legal, health and wellness, home services, insurance, other, personal development, real estate, restaurant and food, and software and technology. So if you're someone in the health and wellness niche, then you can see the different templates available, and you can see that most of the templates are very simple, and you always need to strive to make sure that your opt-in page is as simple as possible. Remember this guys again. Next, when you go on to the style, you have the different style like bold, casual, colorful, dark. So you can see the dark color is showing you the different dark color backgrounds, and light. So when you go for light, you can see the backgrounds are so light. And when you go for the last option based on color, you can choose which type of color does your landing page need to have. So you can always match the color over here to your website homepage and so on. If your website homepage is something in blue color, then you can always choose the templates over here which matches your website landing page. I can always make the changes to the color of this template after selecting this. Now you understand the real importance of a funnel building software, which is of paramount importance if you're someone using email marketing with solo ads. But only having a funnel building software will never guarantee you the success. But how you use the funnel building software really matters. The design. So what do I really mean? I'm talking about the design, the templates, the squeeze pages that we are going to build using this funnel building software that is going to get us the results, which is nothing but the conversion rate. So what do you mean by conversion rate? For example, if you have 1,000 clicks that is going to your squeeze page, which is the opt-in page, and if you have an opt-in of 500%, then it is a 50% conversion rate. And if you have an opt-in of 400%, then it is going to be a 40% conversion rate. So you need to design your squeeze page as simple as possible, with correct text, with correct buttons, and with correct colors and font sizes in order to get the maximum conversion rate, guys. So in the next part of this training series, I'm going to show you how to build a simple squeeze page that gets you maximum conversion rate. So please stay tuned for my next video, and from there I'm going to show you the bridge page, how to build a bridge page. So let's meet in another part of this training series. Until then, bye.